Okay, Hyndai Tucson 2011 to 2014 version, IX35, installed for Cogoo S Series 10.1 inch big screen Android GPS player, 10.1 inch with OEM big screen casing and OEM socket plug and play. So it's good fitting. .1-inch good fitting OEM big screen casing, OEM socket plug and play. Okay, this one is for the 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage and 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen. Okay, it's got a 2 USB slot. You've got a USB extension we put in a drawer. Okay, reverse camera input, video input and video output. Video input and video output. So you have to log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. Okay, before that you have to turn on your player Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet, pairing with your phone hotspot. And car setting, so sound setting, equalizer, the system info, so factory setting password 8888, GPS detect. Okay, player built in a Wi-Fi receiver and a GPS extension we put in here. GPS antenna. Preset volume setting. Brightness, daytime and nighttime. Okay, styling control. You can do the setting for styling control. Change your boot logo, reverse setting, not mute, so you can music still on when you reverse. Okay, radio, FM tuner. Okay, got a Bluetooth function, Bluetooth calling. After that, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. So clear apps, clear it one by one or close all. So you can turn off the screen, nighttime driving, turn off screen, press anyway, turn it on. Video output, turn on video out. Okay, so this is Cogoo S Series 10.1 inch Android big screen with OEM casing and OEM socket for Hyndai Tucson IX35 2011 to 2014. Okay, video by One Piece. Thank you.